So obviously, like you said, my parents are both Ghanaian of Ghana heritage. So yeah, of course, it's a possibility. I think I'm open to both, whether it's playing for Ghana and obviously England as well. Like I said, I've played through the youth team, so naturally, when I was obviously younger, it just made sense. Obviously, they called me up to go and play for them. So obviously, it's good. Obviously, being from Ghana, you're obviously happy that they've qualified for the World Cup. Obviously, I know players like Thomas. I'm happy for them as well. So. Listen, it's always good to have that opportunity to potentially do that.
Has Thomas been in your ear?
Yeah,
come on, need some kenke as well.
He has to be fair. And I think, like you said, the situation I'm in is kind of like, that's priority first, like my club situation. You got to know what you're doing for the season. There's no point looking too far ahead when there's something that a big decision in your career coming in front. So I've kind of always been consistent when I've had those talks, or potentially to put that across, that like at the moment my full focus is obviously my club and making sure I sort out things for next season, and then obviously once that's finished, then I can really sit down with my family and have that kind of discussion. So I'll just say it's open to both, like I'm not closing the door to anything, and obviously it's great to have the opportunity to do so.